So I am Dr. Nageshwar Gupta, Senior Associate Professor working with VIT Bhopal under School of Computing Science and Engineering Department, and I am also acting as a mentor for various government colleges for OBE implementation across India. So welcome to VIT Bhopal University. Today we are going to discuss about the laboratory facilities that are available in our VIT Bhopal University. So the Industrial Revolution 4.0, it had created a smart factories wherein the cyber systems, they are actually monitoring the physical process, and apart from that, it had created the virtual real-time world wherein the decision making are decentralized. Two, so this what had happened, this had created a high demand for laborers who are highly skilled in various aspects, and the blend of digital and the physical workspace is being exposed to them, and so that they will be fit for their respective jobs. Two, ensure the fitness of higher education in nurturing the aspirants with high skills. VIT Bhopal University have introduced an academic framework which includes the following: the collaborative active learning through technology. Then we have courses, more than 60% of courses. It is called integrated course, which is having a blend of theory and practicals. Then we have 100% implementation of outcome-based education, where each and every individual will be imbibed with the required ability based on the national and international standards. Now, we are discussing about the second component, how the practical courses or the engineering are practiced in our VIT Bhopal University. So, in this particular process, the freshmen, that is the people who are entering in the first year, we call it as freshmen. Then the second and third year, we will be called it as intermediate, and the final year student will be calling it as senior. So, how the laboratory components are spread across these things, and how an idea is converted into product, that is the whole concept that we have in VIT Bhopal University. So, once an aspirant enters into VIT Bhopal University, they will be having opportunity to transform into an entrepreneur. So the stage one, engineering practice. So in our VIT Bhopal University, what we have made for all freshmen, we have a workshop called Engineering Practice Workshop, wherein we will be imbibing the design thinking abilities to solve the problem which is ill-structured as well as open-ended, and they will be having the practice in our laboratory, or you can call it as a workshop or a makerspace or an idea space, in which they will be given opportunity to empathize as well as collect the requirements, and after collecting the requirements they can design and they can submit as a proof of concept. For that we will be conducting one event called Idea Blast, wherein all the freshmen, they will be giving their ideas in that Idea Blast event, and the best ideas will be given prizes, and that will be elevated to the next stage. In the subsequent stage, we call it as intermediate stage. Before entering the intermediate stage, our computing laboratories will imbibe them the basic desktop application abilities for the freshmen. Apart from that, they will be also learning basic programming. So this is one augmented laboratory that we will be having, which will improve their computing ability, or they will be upgrading their computing ability, whatever that they had in their schoolings. Post that, when they enter into the intermediate level, that is possibly the second and third year, or if it is an integrated course, it will be second, third year and fourth year. So they will be converting this idea into prototype. For that we will be having the high performance computing laboratory. In our high performance computing laboratory, they will be practicing artificial intelligence with machine learning. Exclusively we will be going for machine learning, because we have the GPU servers which are exclusively designed for this machine learning purpose. Subsequently gaming development, where this GPU also supporting gaming development, ethical hacking, cyber security, digital forensics, and whatnot that you have under the space of computing. Everything will be, all the tools will be provided for them to implement a prototype from the idea whichever that got as a freshman. When they enter into the senior level, there we have product making lab. That is the maker space. Next level we will be having the product development lab. So these prototypes are converted into products and they are available for the investors to market, or they can sell themselves. For that we will be providing platform. So that particular platform will invite the investors from the various industries, and they will be in fact mentoring them to elevate the particular product to the industry standard, and they will be marketed by the other agency. So different type of modalities that we have. Any one particular modality that we will be providing as a support from VIT Bhopal University for the children to sell their products. See, apart from hardcore program and product development, now we are entering into era of no code and low code model. We are setting up in VIT Bhopal University, we are setting Center of Excellence in no code low code, wherein rapid application development can be practiced across all engineering programs. So what it is all about, okay? So when it comes to that no code low code model, okay, the people will be developing rapid prototypes and let them show the prototype of the product to the end user. Then they can go for implementation of the final product. So this is one particular era in which the code, that is when it say it is no code, okay, there is no code is being written. Suppose if you are writing one or line of code, it will be a low code. So we are establishing a center of excellence with that also, and we are tying up with industries like no code Webflow for this particular process. Apart from this, when you go for the softwares that are provided with in VIT Bhopal University, you can just see we have tied up with almost all giants like Microsoft, Google to get all their products for us. So you can use your Google API, you can use Microsoft products, all products, and they can use the same platform, Microsoft platform, for their online learning also. So all these things is being provided, and we also have some courses which are registered with the Coursera. So our children are mentored in the regular extra laboratory apart from your regular laboratory to get good scores and to get equipped with the required knowledge level, higher order thinking in solving the problems that are in complex nature. At last, I want to share you the hardware infrastructure that is available apart from the workstation that we have. We have 29 servers with 150 cores, okay, cluster cores that we have, and each and every core will be having two logical phases. Along with this, we have terabyte of space to store the information of faculty and our students. Apart from that, if we have some industry tie-up, their secured application development programs also will be stored in the manner in which that through VPN, the industry also can connect to our servers, and they can also get the particular coding accordingly. So this is what we will be providing in our VIT Bhopal with respect to computing facilities that we have. So happy to be with our VIT family. Thank you.